Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Yo on the Go. Today, or rather tonight, we'll be talking about life change. Now, we've been talking over the past year or so about doing trades, constant trades of your situation and understanding why you're interested, why you're looking to grow, what your career path is located, what are the right moves, are you making the moves for the right reason? I think it's really important to understand that yourself, understand your situation, and understand others in order to make the right decision. I actually have made a decision to move. The reasons are because of this commute. When I first started driving across the city, it took about an hour and a half round trip to get from my home to my work. Now it takes north of 3 hours, and it's just too much. The cost is too high, and I'm seeing that in my family. I'm seeing that physically. There's just a huge toll that's being taken. And so I've made the decision to leave this company that I've been working for over a decade and a half, to leave my colleagues who I've worked with for as many years in order to go into the great unknown. And that's a scary proposition, but it's also exciting. And it's important for me to leave well and to do things right. So I actually notified my management about 2 weeks ago. I notified my colleagues about a week ago, and I'm going to be leaving in about a month from now. And I'm so thankful that my future employer was lenient enough to give me a late start date, particularly because I'm finishing up this very high-profile study. At least getting them to the next step in a reasonable amount of time and heads up. I think that's really important if you're going to leave, to do the best you can up until the last day. Because first, that's the professional thing to do. Now, if they do not want your service and want you to pack up and leave, that's perfectly fine. They're well within their right as a company to do that. But if it is on your choice, you got to end well. Because we never know how long we're going to be at a position. Even though we may be there for the long haul, something may happen, and you may only have a month. You may only have a week. You may only have a day. And so we need to know that every moment counts, and we need to be on it every single moment. So I'm leaving 110% full afterburners, working this study and doing the best job I can because it's the professional thing to do, it's the right thing to do. And you think about it, because ultimately what goes around comes around. You may never know. You may be working with your former colleagues again, either in a different circumstance or in a different career, or they may become your employer in the future, your company's employer. There are a lot of different things that we can never chart or predict. So even if you leave for amicable reasons or non-amicable reasons, you need to leave with professional attitudes. I hope this was helpful for you. Until next time, bye.